With NC Simul, you have the capability to simulate brushing tools. This is great to simulate deburring operations. First, set a specific color in your preference menu. The Tools section displays a color selection for the brushing operations. Any type of milling tool can be used for brushing. In this example, you will see two types of milling tools. Simply activate the parameter Brush Tool in the tool library, and NC Simul will know that this tool is not removing material, but just brushing the surfaces. Now certify the CNC operations normally, and when the brushing tool is simulated, we will see the tool touching surfaces and coloring the material. NC Simul identifies all alarms and collisions that would be detected for normal milling removal, such as rapid in material and spindle stopped while brushing material. After brushing parts, display the tool in a certain position by selecting the Smart Surfaces and navigate through the program to review motion performed with a specific brush. NC Simul can also display the toolpath. Brushing operations have no effect on material removal, and you can still view the results with the comparison tool. Notice that the machined and brushed surfaces both match the referenced part model surfaces.